Hey man, I can't believe it, bruh. Nike, yes, Nike themselves are actually listening to us sneakerheads. You would not believe what's coming out within the near future. We gotta talk about today's video, man, so stick around. Let's get right into it.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Yo, what's going on, man? It's your boy DeVintage, bro. We are back with another video. And this right here a little bit more informative side of things to help you guys out. If you've been lost, you've been sleeping on a rock, you don't know what's going on, just know we got some crazy news, some crazy updates here within the last 24 to 48 hours. And I just felt obligated, you know what I'm saying? Just felt obligated to come on YouTube and tell you guys about it, man. So if you are new here to the channel, you're a real sneakerhead, you rock your sneakers, make sure you leave a huge like on today's video and follow up with a subscribe if you have not subscribed yet to the channel. You always know, man, hit the notification bell as well so you miss out on any content that we do drop, man. Yesterday, I dropped a video talking about the Kobe 4 girl dad sitting in Foot Locker, helped a couple people out. They want to go check out their local Foot Lockers, and they end up finding some pairs, man. So if that's something you into about restock, shop drop, stuff sitting, stuff sold out, all that stuff, man, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. And this Thursday, I will be going live on Whatnot. That is June the 13th, and it's gonna be at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'm gonna be selling a bunch of sneakers out of my personal collection to you guys, along with wrapping up with a giveaway of the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. So if you want to win a free pair of Bred Reimagined, you want to get a couple pair of steals and deals out of my personal collection, make sure you guys go join up on Whatnot right now. You'd be surprised on how low you might end up paying for a couple of those sneakers. So go tap in, get $15 store credit right now if you have not signed up to Whatnot yet. It's super simple. Use the link on the screen or use the link down below in the description box. And when y'all see these steals and deals, this heat we about to let go, hey, you gonna thank me later, man. All right, man, so back to the original topic, what we came up on YouTube today to talk about, man, and that is Nike actually listening to us. You know, sometime, over the last couple years, we've been asking for certain silhouettes. We've asked for certain colorways and stuff like that. And now it just seems like Nike's actually, opening their ears. They on Instagram, they on Twitter, they on YouTube, seeing what, people are talking about in regards to sneakers. At the end of the day, bro, we're the consumers. So they want to drop what we want. They don't want to drop nothing too crazy that nobody's asking for. And now they kind of resorting back to actually staying true to the sneaker community. Like, you got to stay true to the sneaker community. The people that's giving you their hard-earned money when it comes to these sneakers and stuff like that. And it just seems like I said, bro, Nike's actually listening to us. So if you have been sleeping on the rock, you don't know what's been going on in the sneaker community, we just got a crazy update about a particular shoe that probably is going to be super hard to get, but it's still a step in the right direction from Nike. We'll be getting the Kobe what the Kobe's will be releasing in 2025. When I seen that news, I said, yo, this cannot be real. I was like, somebody please hit me in the head so I make sure I am awake. Like, I did not believe that they're gonna be dropping a Kobe again. Like, I just never thought this would be a day that we see, but it seems like Nike is resorting back to actually listening to us and giving us what we want. So if you guys will be trying to secure a pair of the Kobe's, please let me know down below in the comment section. Super crazy pair. I myself gonna be trying, and I just know, bro, that's gonna be a huge problem. It's gonna be a headache. It's gonna be one of the ones that's probably not gonna be a lot of pairs, not gonna be everywhere. Probably just be like a sneakers release and like tier 0 stores and stuff like that. But in just general terms of them even bringing them back out, the thought that actually counts is a plus. And along with the Kobe's, we'll also be getting the Galaxy Foamposite, bro. Who would have thought, right? Who would have thought, after about 10, 12 years after the original drop of the Galaxies, we'll be getting another pair of them. Because the last couple years, we have been hearing rumors about the Galaxies returning. They just pretty much die out and the information just trashed a little bit after we actually heard those rumors, but we're actually getting the Galaxy Foamposite. If you don't know, man, your boy DeVintage is a huge Foamposite fan. Go check out my high-lace Foamposites. Go check out my updated Foamposite collection. I have a bunch of Foamposite, which is another one of those silhouettes, another one of those sneakers that kind of, fell off because we ain't making the colors we really want. But when they drop it, saying Royal Foamposites, eggplants again, Galaxies and stuff like that, bro, you just gotta love it. And it just seems like Nike's, reaching out there, like, how can we touch the sneaker community and dropping the Galaxies and dropping the Kobe's. is a win-win situation in Nike's eyes. And along with those two basketball sneakers, we will also be getting a couple of retros that literally just popped up right before I started recording, and that is the Air Jordan 11 Bred Lows. Now I already have the Jordan 11 Bred Lows, put some beer up on here because I don't feel like going all the way in the closet and getting them, but I definitely give you guys some beer of the Air Jordan 11 Breds. And this year we're getting the Jordan 11 Bred, that's the regular high tops with that satin material, which is a limited exclusive, but it is super dope that we'll be getting the low top version again in the Air Jordan 11 Breds. And we still have not even mentioned the OG Jordan 1 colorways. Next year we will also be getting the Shadow 1 high 85s, bro. They are going crazy when it comes to releases, going crazy when it comes to nostalgic OG colorways. And like I said, bro, we'll be getting the Air Jordan 1 Shadow high 85, bro. I cannot believe it, but it's definitely long overdue. I think the last time these dropped was like 2018, if I'm not mistaken, 2017. But we'll be getting these joints in a high 85 cut. And just a picture that we seen the mock-ups and stuff like that, it did have the aged midsole, which I'm not too mad about. But just having it in a high 85 in general was just a plus in my opinion, bro. The OG way, you feel me? And I cannot wait to get some of these releases because not only are we getting the Shadow 1 high 85s, you guys know the spiel. Y'all know the spiel, bro. We're gonna be getting the Bred 1 high 85 cut, bro. Like, yo, Jordan Bred, Nike, y'all are going crazy with the drops. I am all here for it. And all the pairs I've been showing you or even talking about in today's video are definitely cops, man. And then of course later this year, I think it's September, October, we will be getting the Black Toe reimagined. It's gonna have Air Jordan on the side, and I think on the inside it's gonna say like I gave my best with Michael Jordan's signature, something like that. This is another, you know, OG colorway that everybody really wants. They've been asking for a while. They gave it a little spin off, you know, with the high 85 and the Bred and the Shadows, and then with the, you know, Black Toes, they got Air Jordan on the side and the signature and some other stuff, which I'm still not a huge fan of, but I cannot wait to see them. Can't wait to get closer to the release day and see what actually, you know, comes out of the reimagined Black Toe. So yeah, man, super crazy day to day. All the information I have been getting, I've been just trying to process like, yo, I literally thought I was done with sneakers. I thought I was done with sneakers. I was gonna stop doing sneaker YouTube. I'm like, man, sneakers is dead. And they just come back out in 2024, dropping banger after banger after banger. And then we still got a crazy lineup for 2025. I'm super excited. You guys let me know what you're gonna be going after this year and next year. I'm super interested in knowing, man. Again, guys, make sure you join up on Whatnot right now. Get $15 store credit. Yes, $15. Some stuff has been sold for $2. I sold something for $1 the other day. You'd be surprised what steals and deals you do get. So go take advantage of that $15 credit towards your account on Whatnot ASAP Rocky, because we will be live this upcoming Thursday. What's that? June the 13th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm gonna see you there. Don't be late. Don't miss it. It's gonna be a crazy one. Appreciate all the support. Make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boy and leave a huge like on today's video, man. That might go a long way. It shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. With all that's been said, bro, your boy DeVintage, love y'all. Let me catch y'all in next video, man. Peace.